teach you how to use Google Sites, a simple platform to create your own website without any technical skills. It's perfect for beginners and anyone who wants a quick and professional-looking site. Start by going to sites.google.com. You'll see a clean, user-friendly interface where you can start building your site. Explore the template gallery to choose a ready-made design, or start with a blank site to create your own unique layout. Next, add content like text boxes for headlines or introductions and images to make your site visually engaging. You can also embed videos, social media feeds, or files from Google Drive for more interactive content. Organize your website using the Pages tab to add multiple pages, and make it look cohesive using themes. Preview your site to make sure everything looks good and works properly. With these steps, you can quickly create a polished, functional, and visually appealing Google site. Experiment with different features and enjoy building your online presence. In today's